सो देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस को क्या बोले हैं. The equation is given which you can see is the burning of methane and oxygen, right? So when methane is burning in oxygen, it is giving you what? Carbon dioxide and water. Okay? So the question is, when 40 cc of methane is reacting with 60 cc of oxygen by the equation given below, and at all the reactions are done at room temperature. Okay? What is the volume of the gases remaining at the end of the reaction? Okay? So first you have to see, you have what? Methane and oxygen. Okay? Given is 40 cc of methane and 60 cc of oxygen gas. Right? So you have to first find out, if you remember, which is the limiting reagent here. Okay? If you take the equation, you see 1 volume of methane is requiring 2 volumes of oxygen to burn completely, right? So if you taken 40 cc of methane, how much oxygen will be required then? 2 into 40, that is 80 cc of oxygen will be required. But given oxygen is how much? 60 cc. So you do not have. How are you, ma'am? From Lokesh, thank you. Ma'am, can you give important questions? All these questions in PYQ are very, very important. These type of questions only repeat and come in your boards. So if you practice and practice the PYQs of the last 10 years, you will get very, very common questions, or not same type of questions, but the pattern will remain the same. So let us concentrate here. So you are getting 80 cc of oxygen, but you are given with what? 60 cc of oxygen. So therefore oxygen will be the limiting reagent here. So you have to do the calculation a bit different. You have to do what? See, 2 volumes of oxygen is therefore burning 1 volume of methane, right? So 60 cc of oxygen will burn how much? 1 into 60 by 2 cc of methane. That means you are getting what? 30 cc of methane. So unused methane will be how much? You are given 40 cc. You are using up 30 cc. So my unused methane will be 10 cc. Okay, clear? Next is what you see. Carbon dioxide. How much carbon dioxide will be forming? Okay. So how much? From 2 volumes of oxygen, it is forming what? 1 volume of carbon dioxide. Therefore 60 cc of oxygen will form how much? 30 cc of carbon dioxide. Right? So, what is the question? What is the volume of the gases remaining? So, total gas कितना हो गया मेरा? मीथेन अनवांटेड है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है. So, 10 plus 30 जो कि हो गया मेरा 40 cc. अब तुम बोलोगे मैम ये तो वाटर है. Water को if you remember at room temperature, the significance why it is given at room temperature, because water at room temperature is in the liquid state, and in the Gay-Lussac combining volume equation you ignore the liquid state, or that is considered to be 0. इसलिए हम लोग वाटर को यहाँ पे कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. तो मेरा